Hey Kickstarter, we're Tucktec and we make portable folding kayaks. Owning a kayak is great. We'd all love to get out on the water whenever we want, and maybe you're like we were. You don't have room to store a kayak or any way to transport one. Our folding kayaks are lightweight and packed down to store just about anywhere and don't require the hassle and expense of a roof rack. They set up in less than 2 minutes and give you the time and freedom to experience more of the outdoors and do it without breaking the bank or sacrificing performance. Now, we're not trying to replace traditional kayaks. We want to be a much better alternative to portable kayaks like inflatables. And we want to be a much more economic alternative to other folding kayaks out there that can cost thousands of dollars. We want you to have a portable kayak that looks, feels, and performs just like a hard shell, but hyper portable. Our kayaks are durable, extremely tough, Coast Guard approved and rated for years and years of use. Now, here's where you come in. Guess what? We're already in production. We've been making and shipping kayaks for over a year now, and it's taken off huge. So at such an early stage of our company's growth, we can make choices. Do we ramp up production based on how we do things now, or do we take a leap and do things the way we really should do them? With your support, we can take that leap and move our entire production of kayaks to recycled. Our goal is to turn waste into something our backers can enjoy. A successful Kickstarter will let us do that right now. We want to do our part to stop plastic from polluting our waters. You can make it a reality for this production run and every run of kayaks we do in the future. With your help, we can launch the Tucktec Eco Kayak.